Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to link a 2K account to Civilization 6. First of all, launch or open your Civilization 6 game on your device. Linking your 2K account to Civilization 6 is easy and worthwhile. First, once you're inside the game, go to the upper right corner and tap on the game menu button. Once you're inside the menu tab, go ahead and click on Exit to Main Menu. Click on Yes, and then you'll be taken to this page. From here, go to the bottom right and you'll see the 2K account option. Tap on it. And on the next page, you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your 2K account. Go ahead and enter your email address in the text box. And then go to the next field and type in your password for your 2K account. After you do that, click on the OK button at the bottom right corner. Follow through the instructions, and if your credential is correct, you'll be able to link your 2K account with Civilization 6. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.